Hey there, if you're stepping up to an ATM for the first time in 2025 with your debit card, you're in the right place. ATMs have gotten even more user-friendly with updated security features, but the basics remain simple and straightforward. Let's dive in so you can handle this like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have your debit card and know your PIN. It's your personal key to your account, so keep it secret and never share it. Start by finding a reliable ATM, preferably one inside a bank or a well-lit area to stay safe. In 2025, many ATMs now have contactless options or app integrations, but we'll stick to the classic method for beginners. Step 1. Insert your debit card into the slot on the machine. Most ATMs have a diagram showing which way to insert it, usually with the chip facing up or the magnetic strip down. Once it's in, the screen will prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN. Type it in quickly and carefully, then hit enter. Remember, if you make a mistake, there's usually a clear button to fix it. Next, the ATM will ask what you want to do. Common options include withdrawing cash, checking your balance, or depositing money. For your first time, let's say you want to withdraw some cash. Select that option, then choose the amount, like $20 or $50, from the on-screen menu. The machine might ask for confirmation, so double-check before proceeding. After you confirm, the ATM will dispense your cash, and you might get a receipt. Always take your card back first, it's easy to forget in the excitement. In 2025, some ATMs even have biometric verification for extra security, but if yours doesn't, just grab your stuff and go. A quick safety tip. Look out for anything suspicious, like a skimmer on the card reader, and avoid using ATMs in isolated spots. Also, log into your bank's app afterward to double-check your transactions. There you have it. Using a debit card at an ATM is a breeze once you know the steps. Practice makes perfect, so give it a try soon. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more everyday tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.